Start now. Okay. So first of all, Shere Khan, what you're doing, you create the first circle. Okay, आराम से do circle. First make it nice circle. Okay, all of you circle. Okay, like a oval. Okay, make a circle, proper circle. Circle is very important to draw proper circle. Okay. Circle is done, all of you. It's easy, not difficult that much. Okay, after circle, what you doing? Okay, just make it 1, 2, 3. Yeah, 1. After circle, make 1. Our Shere Khan. It's like tiger. My daughter also watch this tiger. No tiger count करे? Yeah, this is the body of. Okay, is it easy? Is it difficult or easy? This is circle, straight line, and do this curve line, right? It's easy. It's not that difficult, isn't it? Done that much, beta? Yeah, take time, all of you. If you finish, then you can go ahead. Yes, beta. Can I start now? After that? Okay. So here we draw the nose. Okay. Shere Khan. What the name of character? Shere Khan. Okay. And make it a nose like an oval. Okay. Nose. Okay. Then mouth. See, mouth like this. 1 curve. Okay. 1 curve. And then I draw chin. Okay. Make mouth and then chin. And then done. This is chin. 1, 2. Okay. आराम से take time. Yeah. Yes, beta. I see. Yes, beta. Now, yeah, take time, no problem. Aram se, take time, okay? Okay, just make here. Aram se, here you can do 1. See here, 1 and 2. 1, 2. Okay. And here I can draw the eyes. See the big eyes. 1. Aram se. 1, 2, 2, 3. Okay. 1, 2, 3. This is eyes. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Like this. Aram se. 1, 2, 3. 3 curve. Okay. Fine. And join this line over here. Okay. Yeah. Yes, beta. Yeah, you can do outline now.
What are the outline is, sir?
Yeah, I show. Now, yeah, this is eyeball. Now come draw the ear. This is the ear. Okay. Like this, ear. Make ear, beta. Okay. Bagheera. This is. Okay. Shere Khan. Here you can draw one thing, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Like this. Aram se. Take time.
Sir, he looks very angry.
Yeah.
Sir?
Yeah. Nose part. I.
After we finish drawing, then do we have to outline some style?
Yes, beta. First step 1, circle. Step 2, after the circle, how to draw the nose? Just make it straight line. Straight line. Yeah, and this Shere Khan. Step 2. Okay, step 2, this is circle. And now, step 2, you just make it nose over here. One oval nose over here. After the nose, make it little curve. Here you can make the eyes. 1, 2, 3. Okay, and here the mouth. See, this mouth very easy. Just 1 and 2. Like this. Like this. 2. Okay. Now here I can create one thing. Like this. See how looks it is. And here is 2 teeth. 1, 2 teeth. It's now it's more angry, right? Isn't it? Aram se, take time, okay? Make your best. Take time. Wow, very nice. Show more. Wow. Wow. Tiger is so angry. Yes, So now here you can make it. Okay, take time. Here you make it to 1. Okay, this is the tiger's texture, you know. That in tiger body you can see this type of spot. Here also put the spot. Here also put the spot. Yeah. Okay, boss. Shere Khan. I'm Shere Khan. मेरी बात कोई नहीं सुनेगा तो मैं खा जाऊंगा. हा 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 हा. मैं हूँ शेर खान. This is Shere Khan. Yeah, it's a bad. It's bad. Shere. It is very good. Yes. Yeah. Yes. Archie not here. Take time. This is song we are was. चड्डी पहन के फूल खिला है, फूल खिला है. Yeah, I like a lot that move. That you know when I am. Yeah. Yes. Yeah. Yes. Now we'll start a color with the yellow ochre. Okay, yellow ochre or golden yellow. Better. Golden yellow is too much. Orange. Shere Khan is not orange. Shere Khan is yellow. The tiger color is yellow ochre actually, and the brown, deep brown. So you can push first the. Yes.
It is orange in the cartoon movie and yellow in the real.
Yeah. You can make the orange also. Yeah, you can make orange. Cartoon movie actually orange, no? Little. Yes. Shere Khan. Yes. जंगल जंगल बात चली है, चड्डी पहन के फूल खिला है. जंगल जंगल बात चली. Yeah, it is deep brown. This is brown. Yellow ochre. Yeah, you can put the yellow also or orange also. Basically, the original tiger is yellow ochre, but cartoon uses yellow or orange. Okay. शेर खान को कोई नहीं पकड़ सकता. हा हा. शेर खान को कौन पकड़ सकता है? शेर खान जंगल का राजा है. Yes, शेर खान को कौन रोक सकता? Yes. So, शेर खान बहुत ही
Sir, I saw two tigers on the three and the three tigers on the
शेर खान बहुत गुस्सा में है अभी सबको वाओ शेर खान brown color I put the brown color after that yes pick the brown color शेर खान को कौन और आए हैं और एक शेर खान This is Megan Shere Khan का बलू This is a बलू No, it is Shere Khan का This is a बलू very naughty, nice, cute बलू no you know this is Yes. Oh.